Asuntoskeittiö Vuorimari.
Amazing also because we thought this was one of the Tatalios to original.
Yeah.
Today on the 16th of July 2025 we have Mariankatu 4 staircase. We have together so the staircases A and B here. It's also in Lahti, Lahti's Finland. It has 5 floors built in 1961 with the MP6 pictures and then chemical fabricator here. So we're just 9315. And 2 rights here.
Yeah.
Sorry. It's always amazing when we think it was more but it was original.
Yeah.
It was really impossible to get inside here also.
No, it was easy.
Yeah.
Ist Bitbaki vaihtaa, miten pakoon.
And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Hope we can get to the staircases A and B as soon as possible.
Yeah. That's